This is the beautiful natural scenery of the Badorai Valley and always gives its own memories for those who have visited. This is really fun. Again and again. Start the journey from the city of Bukittinggi to the Badorai waterfall. Sunny morning adds to the clear view. From afar, Mount Merapi is clearly visible. With a travel time of approximately 35 minutes from Bukittinggi, you can access it via Google Map. Yes, located on the slopes of Mount Merapi, this Badorai waterfall presents beautiful views along the way. From here you can see the city of Bukittinggi, which is located at the foot of Mount Merapi and Mount Singgaling. And now we travel to the location of the Badorai waterfall by walking. And don't forget to pray. Yes, this is a solid rock. There are many gardens around. The weather looks good. Come on, let's continue our journey. In this part of the journey we must be careful, because on the left there is a steep chasm. Be careful, the road is slippery. And welcome to the Rock Frog Pond. This is a rock frog. Yes, very similar to a frog about to jump. This is the first part of the journey to Badorai waterfall, and this is the downstream part of Badorai waterfall. In this trip must be accompanied by a guide. Don't be too close, it's a steep chasm. Yes, we have to follow the directions of the guide. We continue our journey to the head of this river. In this section, there's a small pond with a low waterfall. And you can take photos there. And you can take a bath here, especially for children. With clear and cool water makes us chuckle in awe. Let's leave this pool for a while, and we continue our journey to the head of this river. Back through the Merapi jungle road, we walk under the tall and sturdy Venus tree. This Badorai waterfall tourist attraction is usually visited by local and international tourists. But since the COVID-19 outbreak, tourists rarely come, even none at all. And welcome to the Badorai waterfall too. Greeted by the height of this Badorai waterfall, making us even more impressed by the beautiful nature of Minangkabau. This Badorai waterfall has a height of approximately 35 meters with high rainfall, especially during the rainy season. This waterfall is commonly called Badorai too. The width of the valley at this waterfall is estimated to be 30 meters, with one pond, which is 1.5 meters deep. On the walls there are rocks covered with moss and weeds. In other parts there are many bamboo plants, which seem to maintain the balance of nature. Yes, that is the power of the Creator. Water is the source of life for all living things. Imagine if the water source is polluted, it is certain that all living things will suffer. The surrounding community always advises the tourists who come to always protect nature and always act and think positively while in this location. Yes, we really have to maintain the balance of nature so that unwanted things don't happen. We have to take care of nature and not to destroy it, therefore let's keep its authenticity. In the Badorai Valley, the temperature feels cool and cold, the flowing water feels cold, the sun rays occasionally penetrate between the shady trees. This trip really gives a special experience. The journey to the Badorai Valley can be reached by motorbike or car, with a distance of 35 minutes from Bukittinggi. After that, the journey is taken by walking with a travel time of approximately 15 minutes. For those of you who want to come here, please contact the local tourism office or a trusted guide. This is the beautiful natural scenery of the Badorai Valley, and always gives its own memories for those who have visited. After feeling the coolness of this Badorai Valley, we will continue the fun in the part of the pool that we have been through. Yes, now is the time for us to go back and leave this Badorai Valley with one word: thank God for this beautiful gift. Retracing this thick Merapi jungle tree, which seems to tell other unique things. Yes, like the story told by the community, this forest is often found by mountain climbers who get lost while climbing Mount Merapi. According to the community, if there's a tourist couple who comes, does or has bad intentions, then clouds or thick dew will cover this forest, as a warning. That's a bit of people's narrative, and in fact we really have to protect nature with good behavior and morals and character. Back to travel. We are back to the pool that has its own story. No less interesting, this pool turns out to have a natural slide. Right, let's explore the upper reaches of the pond.
Lelo lang pal.
Hey, be careful. Well, it turns out that at the upstream of this pool there are two small clear and cool pools with a depth of 1 meter. And this is the amazing part of this pool, namely the natural rock slides that the water passes through. Really charming and tough. And let's try.
Lihat pal.
Repeat again. Wow, this is so exciting and fun.
Gulu, diretih lah. Ah.
Wow, that's really fun. Again and again. On the right side of this slide there is a small pool with a depth of 1 meter. The water is very clear, showing a view of the rock inside. Come on down, don't be afraid.
Ya.
Come on down, don't be afraid. It's okay, it's fun.
Gitu. Gitu, tangan tuh ketihan tangan tuh. Nah, dorong alay.
Come on down, don't be afraid. It's okay, it's full of surprises while skating.
Nah, ay la suah ma. tunggu. Kedua nomor dorongan.
Only one person, not both. Let's push by hand.
Lah tu tungguannya di Bang Ripal tu. Cepet lah. 3. Tangan ketian. Kan lah suah tu. Cap. Awas ya.
This is really fun. Wow, really fun. It's really very fun and very exciting.
Nah.
It's really very exciting and very exciting, being able to play in a cool and awake nature. And after this fun we went home. Again the word was said, thank God. But wait. This is a travel bonus. The bonus of this trip is natural scenery from other parts of this Badorai, yes, plantations on the slopes of Merapi Hills. What a beautiful view of the slopes, which are planted with green vegetables, and the town of Bukatinggi is clearly visible, with the hills surrounding it. Yes, this is how we are grateful and maintain the balance of nature, by farming. The sound of the wind blowing accompanied by natural scenery, valleys and hills creating an incomparable harmony. This plant looks lush and well looked after. With a visibility of approximately 2 kilometers, the peak of Mount Merapi is clearly visible. Yes, very clear, really impressive. And the last bonus is the chance to harvest chili.